we have the disclosure here, and please, it's very important to know there is a lot of risk in the future trading, so please be aware of it. Uh, a little announcement before we start with NinjaTrader. A little announcement that we came out with the MT5, especially for our members have a problem with the internet, not very fast computers. We came out with the MT5, and we are about to release the MT5 either tomorrow or a day after tomorrow. This is the latest. And to our members, please contact me or Jim Gale for support. And we are about to release a version for the MT5. Actually, it is very impressive. I mean, if you are auto trading, it doesn't matter, but it is a very light platform, extremely light. I like that. And today did very well. Actually, we had much more. If you look at the lower corner, lower right corner, we nailed 1362. Uh, well, I'm keeping it simple because we are testing it, and we are making a small target, piece by piece, on the ES, and we hit the target 3 4 times in the US session, and it did very well also the ES on the NinjaTrader. But today the YM even on an MT5 and the NinjaTrader. This is you're looking at NinjaTrader 7. The YM took a lot of beat on the 1 minute, and the same story on the YM did not perform. A lot of small trades and back and forth. Also on the third one, the YM did not do well. Took a lot of beat. Also on MetaTrader 5 did not do well. But if we are looking on the ES, we did very well. This is now, I mean, we are done, and nailed around 1800 and 700 on the B scalper, and it did very well on the ES. We are watching it closely between NinjaTrader performance and the MT5 on the automated trading, of course. For manual trading, I still recommend NinjaTrader. But if you are an automated trading, um, we find it is very impressive platform, and we will be covering the MT5 in our webinar, and then we show some tricks on the MT5. Is a very friendly use. Takes you 1 hour to learn to go around the to go around the MetaTrader 5. I haven't touched this platform in many years, over 15 years, but I'm very impressed. It took us a long time to develop for the MT5 because of the security, and there is a lot of uh, so we did a very good job on it. We've been in that project for many months actually, and finally it's coming out, and we will be covering that on the webinar. And we did this one especially for our members. They are overseas, they have an internet problem, or they don't have a high performance computer. It does not require all that stand going and bump into those server where it costs 80 bucks, 100 bucks, and practically there is no RAM in those server. They are running on a couple gigabyte, and that is gonna cause your NinjaTrader to lag, especially if you wanted to use NinjaTrader 8. You're gonna have a lot of problems if you don't have enough RAM. So this is where we can see the same problem on the YM, where it did not perform the YM today. And this is the sad story when a guy is trading, and if the auto trade is not performing, he always pinpoint the auto trade. where if we are looking to the left corner here on the the ES has hit the target, I don't know, 4 or 5 times. I don't remember, but we keep reloading it and reloading it. The CL also today did not do well because even on the, I mean, it is a little hard time right now, even on the swing trading. If you notice, there is only very small trades. There is no big money and losses. And this is the afternoon session. And there is a lot of a small trade. If we are looking at the YM, a lot of a small trade. And didn't, it is a really struggling day today on the YM. But however, the ES did extremely well. If we are looking at the signal price action, this is the last signal for today. And right now we practically flat and there is only 97 ticks. We couldn't even make it to the target on the ES. We couldn't even make the target on the NASDAQ. We couldn't even make the target. Now we have a new sell, and you know it is Monday, but today it was extremely. I mean, there is a good volatility and a bad volatility. This is really a nightmare today, whether you are manual or automated trading. On the euro dollar today, this is the only market I like in the forex. I personally like it. If you were in an earlier session today on the euro dollar, where we had somewhere around there. Uh, when we had when we hit the target is somewhere around that area, and then when we had a buy signal, we bump in. You can see to our members, this is your $35 zone, and got into the zone here at 14.4, and it's been struggling, the euro dollar, to break those area here to hit the target. It's very clear whether you are a genius trader or not. You can see how this market struggling on that line and was having a hard time getting to break those area here to get to the target. So on and all, the market was pretty hard today. So for the guys was struggling today, I'm showing you that, I mean, the market is, the ES did extremely well today on any given auto trade. The ES did very well. And look at this now. This is really something else. I would like to stay a little bit long and see what will happen in this market. There is a lot of buying right now, but it is finished. It's over. It's 4 o'clock right now. It's done. It's over. Uh, but um, it was a very hard day, and we have to show you the good days and the bad days. Folks, that's all what we have for you today, and we'll see you another day. Thank you very much, and God bless you all. And please be cautious with this market right now. There is a lot of volatility. Be patient before you decide to jump in into trade. Cover all your basic. What doesn't matter which platform or which system you have, and count to 10. Take your time before you start jumping. It's a little bit hard time in the market. There is nothing we can do about it, but you have to be very cautious because this volatility can cause a lot of damage. Thank you very much, guys, and see you another day. Bye for now.